Yeah, it's recording right now.
Alright everybody, Triple S Drywall, doing Southern Style Special Edition from New Mexico. My brother's got a house, we drove over here to help him out. So I'm going to do is show y'all a trick that we use for skip trowel. You look up this texture, it's a skip trowel. It's either done either with a 12 in a pan or a Hawking trowel, not sure. But we got a trick, click. So my buddy Eli gets all the props. He's on my other two videos, one with the skip trowel and the other with the heavy knockdown. He's the one that showed me this. So this is a 1/4 inch board that we cut 2 by 2, and we just cut random holes, teardrops if you will, eyeballs throughout it so you don't have a constant. That gives you some spacing on it. And then we cut the corners so we didn't have a square corner on it. So if you look down here, we got another sheetrock. And we're going to stamp it. I'll turn the plate to show you how to apply it. Alright, here we go. So it's just a light stamp we're going to do on everything.
To rotate the board.
You want to rotate the board, move it around. Again, it's just 1/4 inch plywood. We've got a stomp brush that we screwed to it, and then we screwed a paint pole into it to give us access to the floor. One more behind me. So you don't want to do a full coverage, you just want to get it kind of random. Hence the skip trowel. Another patch behind it. So you want it to be random, that's why we cut the holes, but we want to make sure it has full coverage. I think that'll do it. So again, my other videos on knockdown, just duplicating the skip trowel really fast. In this particular house, we had probably 20 patches. And to go through and actually do it with your pan knife or with a Hawking trowel takes forever. So special edition, Triple S Drywall, Southern Style, New Mexico. Till next time.